Lotus is a beautiful flower of my country, Vietnam. Since ancient times, the beauty of lotus has entered people's hearts, into the lives and culture of Vietnamese people. Lotus flowers are usually pink and white, with yellow pistils. The most outstanding feature of lotus flowers is their intense vitality. Lotus flowers often live in ponds and lakes, and often the roots of lotus flowers will cling to mud to live. In any pond or lake where lotus grows, the water in this place will change from cloudy to clear. Although lotus flowers live in muddy ponds, they have a very pleasant fragrance. Therefore, people in my country have used lotus flowers to make tea, and have created many famous tea brands with many uses such as improving insomnia symptoms, helping to beautify the skin and relax the mind. If you have the opportunity to come to Vietnam, try visiting a lotus growing village to see the beauty of lotus flowers.